In this video, I will show you some websites not opening in Google Chrome or any web browser using Android phone, and also solution for some websites are not opening in Wi-Fi but working on mobile data. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open settings of your device. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Now search for the browser that is not working. For example, I am fixing Google Chrome. Tap on it. Tap force stop, then tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap clear all data. Tap OK. After that, you need to restart your device. After the restart, open your browser. Check it out your problem is remains or gone. Method number 2. Open your browser or open Chrome. Tap 3 dots. Tap on settings. Tap privacy and security. Tap delete browsing data. Select all time. Tap delete data. Tap on delete. Tap OK. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Open your browser once again, then tap on 3 dots. Tap settings. Tap privacy and security. Find out use secure DNS. Turn it on. Select choose another provider. Now select Google public DNS. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem persists, then try the next method. Method number 4. Go to settings. Tap on connections. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap on the gear icon of your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap view more or advanced. Tap IP settings. Select statics. Edit the DNS. Type DNS1 8.8.8.8. Type DNS2 8.8.4.4. Tap on save. After doing this, see if the website is opening on your phone. If not, then proceed to the next method. In some cases, internet network service providers block many websites, in which case the website may be accessible on mobile data but not through Wi-Fi. So you need to take the help of a VPN to fix it. Open your Play Store. Search for VPN. Install a free VPN from here. After completing the installation process, open it. Allow all the permissions. Now connect your phone with this VPN network. After connecting with the VPN network, now try to open your desired website. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.